you like some coffee, baby?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It is.
Really nice. I'm going out.
Thank you so much.
All right then. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time.
Thank you. So our Airbnb host is super sweet. She just brought us this little wooden basket. Ooh, they're really hot croissants. They're so warm. And a couple of, I don't know, are those also croissants? Some other, I haven't seen something like this. This is what croissants look like in America. And we have plum jam and apricot jam. It's 8:08 a.m. It's 61 degrees out, supposed to be a high of 88 today. We are headed to way south path. It's 34 miles.
So apparently it takes about 1 to 3 days to finish. We're not going to finish, obviously, but we're going to go see some water before it gets too hot and enjoy the day. Steven is flying the drone. Hopefully not into a tree. Yay! Drone's first time out and about. Very far from us. Would have been a hike. to
to
get it.
go get it. Yay. It's 81 degrees right now. We got in the pool for a little bit. It was delightful. We're headed to a little pub for some dinner and a drink